The best place to approach me. Oh. This is number one thing. Like, hi, my name is Galina, and I'm here all the way from Mother Russia, Moscow City. I'm 23 years old. For example, if it's a nightclub, which is like pretty common thing for me, he's just supposed to say like, I'm gonna buy you a drink, let's talk. So this is usually like this most common thing if you want to like get my attention, because a nightclub, what the girls do, of course we're drinking. But if it's like a normal place like library, Starbucks, or I don't know, McDonald's, but you're never gonna see me there, just come up to me and just think the conversation through, like not just like, hi, can I get your number? No. And he's just staying and staring at me like, okay, dude, you stay here, think about it a little bit, I'm gonna go. So just like, if you're coming to me, just like think the through what you're gonna tell me, how I'm gonna answer, and what you're gonna answer back. The best place to approach me. Let's see. Well, where I'm usually at. Let's see, at the gym. 100% no. Like I'm probably gonna go like now and just like decide where I'm not approachable. So probably in a gym, because I'm all sweaty and I'm not confident. So if you're gonna be like really handsome guy, I'm probably never gonna talk with you because I don't feel confident about myself. But most likely just down the street, just walking down the street. If you see me, come up to me and start talking with me. We'll see how it's gonna work out. And in the car, actually when I'm driving, I'm talking with the people a lot, especially in the traffic, on the lights. We usually like have time enough just to like talk about like the phone numbers, yeah, call me, and we just like meeting up after in the Starbucks. This is actually really common in my life right now. I shouldn't say when he approaching me, it's like, oh, nice butt, or oh, I love your tits. Even like, hey girl, what is your number? I wanna like talk with you after. No, never. It's supposed to be a real conversation, and just like, not starting with like, oh, you know what, I like your big tits, that's so awesome. Never. When the guy just walk up to me, so the first, of course, it's a look, like, and it's a neck. Maybe it's weird though, but like it's supposed to be muscle-ish neck. He's not supposed to be skinny. Better to be chubby than skinny, I'm telling you. Like, I don't want to feel fat near the guy, you know. And after it, how he's walking, if he's like that and just like hiding himself and not confident, of course I'm just like, this die too, go go to where you come from. And maybe even like he dressed, it doesn't matter. You can be in the flip-flops and old t-shirt, but if you feel good and like yourself and you're really sure that you're supposed to wear this old t-shirt, it doesn't matter. But you're supposed to be clean. This is number one thing. Like, if you're dirty and just like smell bad, it's a really important thing now. Like, if I can smell your sweat, no, dude. I mean, like, all of these pheromones probably work for some girls, but not for me. Like, this is probably supposed to be Dolce & Gabbana or something. When the guy hits on me, like, there's few things that actually can get to me. So first of all, if you're tall as fuck, I'm here, I'm listening, you have enough chances to mess up, and I'm still gonna be here listening to you. I'm gonna give you chances by chances, just like, because you're tall. I'm 5'10", and this is hard to find someone just a little bit taller than you. What else? If you're pretending like you're rich or you're a rich guy, this is actually getting my interest. Fucking English. Interest. So it's not even because of the money, just because so it's mean you know how to live, you know the rules, and you're smart. And this is kind of like always gaining to me, like, let's talk. Even like you're short, fat, tall, I don't know, like without a hand or eye. So I'm still gonna talk with you just to like get the point. If you're funny, if you can make me laugh, like for real, like laughing with my with my how I'm doing it, like with the snoring. Yeah, probably, like at least we're gonna be friends and